Yeah then, you can get some seed. Come on then. All these ducks and coots. Yeah, do you want some? It's a busy one today. Hey. Very windy as well. Yeah. You want some as well? There you go. And you. Ducks. Nice. Yeah then. Yeah then. We're getting blown away, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh.
I do like the wind like this though. It's very refreshing.
Yeah.
It clears the aura.
When I came earlier, I think they were taking advantage of wind because a lot of swans were going flying.
Yeah.
Swoop going round, coming back down, flying.
And you know, on land, they can get blown over.
Yeah.
I've seen them blown over a lot. Especially the bigger ones. Ellie, she's not very steady in the wind on the land. I do love it though. But it looks like the ocean because
it does, doesn't it? Yeah.
You won't want to swim in that now.